Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another ink installation video. Today we're going to be installing the ink on the Epson EcoTank 2850. Now you most likely are watching this video because you haven't installed bottled ink before. With the Epson EcoTank models, you are switching from a cartridge-based printer to a bottled ink-based printer. Now if you find this video to be helpful, I ask that you like the video. If you have any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now, of course, you have a black ink bottle, you have a yellow, magenta, and cyan ink bottle. So you're going to be installing whichever one you want first, but you really want to make sure that you're installing the correct color in the correct ink compartment. So you're going to see BK. That should match up with the black ink on the bottle, should match with exactly what it says on the printer. And you're really just matching up the bottle with the ink compartment that's in there, and you'll see that a little bit more clearly in a second. But there's a pattern that it has on the bottle itself and then on the nozzle. So you're just matching that up and you're placing it right in there. Make sure it's snugly fit. You don't want to just put it in there. You want to make sure it's snugly fit, and you don't have to squeeze it. You don't have to tap it. All you're doing is you're allowing some time for the ink to just fall into that ink tank. Now, something else worth noting is you can use remanufactured ink with these printers. So initially, you can use your setup Epson ink, but you're going to want to look for a more affordable option. Although these ink bottles are already affordable, you can get even lower prices. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below for some remanufactured ink options. Now, as you see here, same process with all of the colors. You're just matching it up, and don't be afraid of ink spilling. That may happen on occasion, but it is very rare, so don't really worry about it. So all you're doing is you're making sure that the majority of the ink in the bottle is getting into the ink compartment. Now, there's going to be a little bit of ink left over, especially if you're just setting up initially with your new Epson EcoTank 2850. That little bit of ink can then be used to top off the ink compartment later on once you're done setting up. So you're going to want to keep that in mind as well, because you want to keep your ink levels as high as possible. So that's really all there is to it. It's that simple. It is that easy. If you have any questions at all about anything I did in the video, make sure to comment below. There's no question that is below asking. You want to ask any question that you possibly have about the ink itself, about remanufactured ink, about the ink install that I did here in the video. There's a lot of questions you might have. Feel free to comment below. Now, if this video was helpful, I ask that you like the video. Those likes really do help the video, and they help this channel. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Check out some of the other videos on my channel. I have a lot of things going on my channel, different topics related to printers. They may help you out in one way or another. My goal here is to help you save money and to help you install your ink bottles properly. Alright, so that's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.